Hey, today I want to talk to you just for a minute about another way that you can make more money as a home improvement contractor. Check this out. This might sound like I'm being self-serving, this advice that I'm going to give you today to make more money as a contractor. All right, but it's not meant to be self-serving. In fact, this was the one thing that changed my business, changed my life, and continues to do so because I continue to drink my own Kool-Aid on this. And that's the commitment and making the investment to hire a business coach. Listen, I've spent thousands, tens of thousands of dollars through the years on business coaching. And whether or not you wanted to hire me and one of my coaches from the Contractor fight, or you hire somebody else that you think is a great fit for you, my encouragement is that you frickin' pull the trigger on it. Pony up the money. See, you don't know what you don't know yet. You're looking at your business in an emotional matter. You are too close to it to really see what's happening. And one of the best things a good business coach will do is they will help you fix up here between your ears first, and then they'll help you look at the metrics in your business and the culture that you have and how you're being as a leader and all these different things that make up a successful business. And they're gonna get you to deal with them, to acknowledge them, and then to truly deal with those things. Listen, I know there's so many different options that somebody has to hire a business coach. Number one, listen, you have to find somebody that's a good fit with you, somebody that you just connect with. All right, if you feel like you're sitting down with somebody, you're talking to somebody who's always talking over your head, and you're having a hard time keeping up with some of the concepts, then that's probably not a good sign for you. If you're looking for somebody and they're not making you uncomfortable, that's probably the sign that you don't have the right coach. All right, so listen, the Contractor fight, we have programs from $1,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year and more, depending on the size of your business and what we're helping you do. So listen, hit one of the links down below if you're interested in anything that we might have to offer for you, or even if you wanted to just reach out and say, dude, I think you're a total D-bag and I would never hire you or your organization, but I do believe in business coaching. Do you know anyone? I'll refer you to somebody, because there's a lot of good ones out there. The bottom line here, all right, bottom line here is that you truly get serious. Too many guys are not getting bold with taking risk to grow their business. And one of the best things, finally, that I think that's worked for me is when I wrote that first $10,000 check to hire a business coach. It finally made me get off my ass and do something. So it's funny, you can watch this free stuff. There's tons of free stuff here in the podcast and all these things that we have going on. But when you start ponying up some money and it hurts a little bit, that's when most of the growth usually happens. I've seen it in my own life. I've seen it in my clients' lives. Get a business coach for your contracting business. Doesn't matter who it is, as long as they help you reach the goals that you want to reach as you're trying to figure out this whole contracting game. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me here for a couple minutes. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and head over to thecontractorfight.com to get more stuff to help you grow a stronger business.